Are you looking for the best ginger teas in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ginger teas. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pukka Herbs 20 bags Galangal and Turmeric Ginger Tea. While there are many alternative treatments to help boost digestion, such as lemon water and flat stomach water, the next one to add to the list is Pukka Herbs 20 bags Galangal and Turmeric Ginger Tea. Every Pukka plastic-free tea bag arrives with its recyclable envelope to hold the essential oils with the organic herbs. To allow the flavors to disperse entirely, pour hot water directly into the bag. Every herb enjoys the water, so let it steep for the ultimate brew. Infuse it for up to 15 minutes. Remember to boil only a small amount you need for a Pukka ginger teacup to enjoy the full flavor of tea, the high aroma and bitterness. You can use a fork to rub the tea bag against the cup interior regarding the tea's intensity. Moving on at number 4, we have the RISHI Tea 15 Sachets Herbal Ginger Tea. RISHI's tea buyers travel the countries every year, partnership with local tea growers during peak growing seasons. That's the reason why they source botanicals and organic teas of an Epicurean quality, infusing everything ginger tea produce with a signature narrative and quality. Ayurvedic herbal tones influence turmeric ginger for cold and cough seasons. It is an iconic lemon-ginger mix, balancing the calming core of the licorice. Soon you will be attracted by the spicy ginger in this RISHI Tea 15 Sachets Herbal Ginger Tea, the soft orange zest, and the vibrant lemongrass in a strikingly aromatic infusion of the turmeric gold core of ginger. At number 3, we have the Choice 16 bags Organic Ginger Tea. There's so much good going on with a cup of tea. This Choice 16 bags Organic Ginger Tea takes us closer to family and friends looking to share the events of the day, binding us to all those across the globe who love this enduring ritual. Whether it's a warm mug with a hearty meal to begin your morning or a soothing cup that makes you relax and focus on your day, let's cheer up these quality organic teas. Boil fresh water and keep the tea bag in 8-ounce water for 5 minutes to enjoy this aromatic herbal tea. Choice does mix the lemon scent, fragrant ginger, a touch of soothing fennel, and sweet licorice root for this spicy and enticing cup. Try it for a coffee-free tea break that is both energizing and relaxing. At number 2, we have the Twinings 24 Cups Lemon Ginger Tea. For more than 2,500 years, Chinese herbalists have known to use ginger's pungent flavor in tea. Today, Twinings expert blenders have mixed these two exquisite flavors for a rich and pleasant herbal tea experience. The zesty lemon citrus flavor has been inspiring the tea experience for centuries. Made without artificial materials, the Twinings 24 Cups Lemon Ginger Tea gives you a balanced tea experience. This is an extremely finest herbal tea with ginger blended perfectly with the tangy taste of lemon. It offers you a relaxing tea with a soft, enticing fragrance and a spicy taste of lemon. A big note, the Twinings set to 10 ounces of brewing make a good glass of iced tea that stays full-flavored even though the ice melts. And finally at number 1, we have the Stash 100 bags Lemon Ginger Tea. Stash believes that tea should do more than just please you, leading you to a flavorful journey. Tea is in their heart, and they work to share that blessing with you in every cup. They're not just tea makers, they're tea people. Liven up the mood and awaken the taste buds with the calming combination of sunny citrus, tangy, and lingering ginger warmth. Sit back and enjoy the much-needed comfort of this uplifting mix. Stash 100 bags Lemon Ginger Tea. Stash tea is your catalyst for strength, energy, comfort, and serenity. To taste the full flavor of this ginger tea, put fresh water to a boil. In a preheated pot or cup, pour hot water directly over the tea bag. Brew for 1 to 3 minutes or to the perfect taste. 1 ginger tea bag creates 8 ounces of hot tea. Dual power for brewing the iced teas. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.